What's up, guys? How you doing? Hope you well. Welcome back to the channel. And I have to be right back as hello again. Yo, love for the support, love for the you know, love that you guys are showing. And if you guys wanna draw my original characters that I designed and created in your own style, I don't mind that. That's cool. But I don't appreciate people using characters I created and then doing AI of it. Like none of it I've I've used AI for. I haven't used AI. These are hand drawn. Yeah, they're digital, but they're hand drawn. I haven't, you know, I haven't written a prompt to get any ideas to create these characters neither. It's from myself. And I go through this for you guys. There's free videos. Check the channel. I go through on how you can create your own character. I go through how you can simplify the anatomy, thinking of shape language and what to use and how to create your own character. So I'd love to see you guys doing your own art style. Like that's cool. You know what I'm saying? Like when you draw, like I have great respect for fellow artists, because this is something that's coming from ourselves. This is coming from our mind. This is coming from our hand. This is from our imagination that we bring it to life. So it's a bit disrespectful for people to just take that and then just shove in AI and then generate like a whole animation that takes a lot of time. Like that's not right. And to make it worse, like people don't even credit or like show love in that way. So anyway, saying that, thanks again for the support, but I don't appreciate that. I don't give that permission. All right. So you can draw it if you want to draw it. You can draw it, but I don't give the permission to generate it through AI. Come on, bro. I haven't even done that. We work hard for this stuff. So anyway, show love, guys. I'm gone.